Are you unknowingly sabotaging your health? You might be. Let's uncover some common pitfalls and empower you to live your best, healthiest life. Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Jonathan, and I'm passionate about helping you achieve optimal health and wellness. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 shocking health mistakes that you're probably making without even realizing it. We'll cover everything from diet and exercise to sleep and stress management. The goal here isn't to shame you, but to empower you with the knowledge you need to make positive changes. Let's get started. Sleep is absolutely crucial for both your physical and mental well-being. It's not just about feeling rested. It's about your overall health. When you sleep, your body repairs itself, consolidates memories, and regulates hormones. Skimping on sleep can have serious consequences. Sleep plays a vital role in hormone regulation, affecting everything from hunger and metabolism to growth and reproduction. Disrupting this balance can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Adequate sleep is also essential for a strong immune system. When you're sleep-deprived, your body is less able to fight off infections and illnesses. Common mistakes include staying up late scrolling through social media, having an inconsistent sleep schedule, and using screens right before bed. These habits disrupt your natural sleep-wake cycle. Consistently not getting enough sleep increases your risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even some types of cancer. It's a serious issue. Lack of sleep can also lead to weight gain. It disrupts hormones that regulate appetite, making you crave unhealthy foods and overeat. Impaired cognitive function is another major consequence. Sleep deprivation affects your ability to focus, concentrate, and make decisions. To fix this, establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Consistency is key. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to wind down before sleep. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Optimize your sleep environment by making sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. These conditions promote better sleep quality. Chronic stress has a profound impact on your body. It's more than just feeling overwhelmed. It's a physiological response that can wreak havoc on your health. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels over time can lead to inflammation and a host of other health problems. Common mistakes include overworking yourself, neglecting self-care, and having poor time management skills. These habits contribute to chronic stress. Chronic stress weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. It's harder for your body to fight off infections when you're constantly stressed. Digestive problems are another common consequence of chronic stress. Stress can disrupt your gut microbiome and lead to issues like bloating, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Increased risk of heart disease is a serious concern. Chronic stress can raise your blood pressure and cholesterol levels, increasing your risk of heart attack and stroke. To combat chronic stress, practice mindfulness. This involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Incorporate relaxation techniques like yoga and meditation into your daily routine. These practices can help calm your mind and body. Set boundaries To protect your time and energy, learn to say no to commitments that overwhelm you. Prioritize self-care activities that you enjoy. This could include spending time in nature, listening to music, or pursuing a hobby. A balanced diet is essential for optimal health. Focus on eating whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. What you eat directly impacts your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. Nourishing your body with the right foods is crucial. Common mistakes include consuming excessive amounts of processed foods and sugary drinks, lacking fiber in your diet, and skipping meals. These habits can sabotage your health goals. Consuming too many processed foods and sugary drinks can lead to weight gain, nutrient deficiencies, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. These foods are often high in calories and low in essential nutrients. To improve your diet, focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are packed with nutrients and fiber. Read food labels carefully to understand what you're putting into your body. Pay attention to serving sizes, ingredients, and nutritional information. Plan your meals in advance to avoid making unhealthy choices when you're hungry. Meal prepping can help you stay on track. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for many bodily functions. Exercise offers numerous benefits for your cardiovascular health, weight management, and mental well-being. It's a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity strengthens your heart, helps you maintain a healthy weight, and boosts your mood. It's a win-win-win. Common mistakes include leading a sedentary lifestyle, lacking variety in your workouts, and not pushing yourself hard enough. These habits can limit the benefits of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle increases your risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. It's important to get moving. Lack of exercise can lead to muscle loss, which can decrease your strength and metabolism. Building and maintaining muscle mass is crucial for overall health. Decreased energy levels are another consequence of inactivity. Exercise actually boosts your energy levels in the long run. To incorporate more exercise into your life, find activities you enjoy. This could include dancing, hiking, swimming, or playing sports. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise per week. This could be broken down into 30-minute sessions most days of the week. Incorporate strength training into your routine to build muscle mass and improve your overall fitness. Lift weights, use resistance bands, or do bodyweight exercises. Hydration plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including energy levels and skin health. Water is essential for life. Staying properly hydrated helps regulate your body temperature, transport nutrients, and flush out waste products. It's vital for optimal health. Common mistakes include not drinking enough water throughout the day and relying on sugary drinks like soda and juice. These drinks can actually dehydrate you. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, impaired cognitive function, and constipation. It can also affect your skin health. To stay hydrated, carry a water bottle with you throughout the day. This will serve as a visual reminder to drink water. Set reminders on your phone or computer to drink water at regular intervals. This can help you stay on track. Listen to your body's thirst cues and drink water whenever you feel thirsty. Don't wait until you're severely dehydrated. So there you have it. 5 shocking health mistakes you're definitely making. We covered the importance of sleep, managing stress, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and staying hydrated. Remember, knowledge is power. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can take steps to improve your health and well-being. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to implement at least one of these solutions this week. Your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit too. I'm also creating a free guide on optimizing your sleep for peak performance. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.